Hi, welcome to Stafford Audi. This is used Audi Q5 2.0 TFSIe S-Line S Tronic, which we now have in stock, as this is a used vehicle. It does come with 12 months warranty and also 12 months roadside assistance. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please give our sales team a call on 01785 899 417. Firstly, in this video, we'll take you on a 360 walk around the vehicle, and then we'll check out the interior controls and technology. Starting off at the front vehicle, we do have the Quattro badge in the front grille. Quattro means that this vehicle is four-wheel drive. This car does come with the Metro LED headlights, which are Audi's brightest headlights. Moving around to the side of the car, we have got the gorgeous 5 twin-spoke star design 19-inch alloy wheels. This car does come with the S-Line styling pack, so we do have the S-Line badges on the front wings, as well as the S-Line front and rear bumpers. On top, we do have the aluminium roof rails. Also the aluminium window trims around those windows. We've got the privacy glass in the back windows of the car, perfect if you have any variables on those back seats. And speaking about the seats, they're the gorgeous half leather. In the centre there is the pull down armrest with 2 cup holders, perfect for those long journeys. The passengers at the rear do have the ability to control their own temperatures, and we do have a 12 volt plug socket just below, perfect to charge those electronics devices with. So this vehicle is automatic, it's done around 50 miles and it is petrol plug-in hybrid. We do have the dual exhaust pipes at the bottom. Let's take a look inside the boot now. The boot is really spacious, plenty of room for your golf clubs, your shopping, or maybe if you're heading out on holiday, those suitcases. Those back seats do fold down as well, giving you that extra space if needed. In the bag on the left here, we do have all your charging equipment. And when it's time to charge the car, where is the charging point? Well, it's just around here to the side. Open this flap and plug your cables in there. This car does come with electric tailgate, meaning from one push of a button, the tailgate will open and also close for you, which is really helpful if you've got your shopping bags with you at the time of closing. Moving back to the interior, we have got the matte brushed aluminium inlays and also the black cloth headlining too. The front seats are sport seats with the S-Line embossed logo on. These seats are also heated, and we also have the lumbar support which supports your lower back. And finally, we do have the S-Line aluminium plate, which you'll notice when entering and exiting the car. Time to take a detailed look at your interior now. This vehicle does come with central locking. All 4 windows and the mirrors are electric. We do have the light controls just here, which are positioned to the right hand side of your steering wheel. And the steering wheel itself is a multifunctional steering wheel with the S-Line logo at the bottom. Using the buttons on your steering wheel, you can personalise your cockpit display, so whether it's information about your vehicle you require, such as the range on the battery and also fuel. You can switch over to your media. There is a DAB digital radio on board, meaning there's plenty of choice of things to listen to while you're on the move. We can also connect your mobile phone up to the screen, and then we do have the navigation system where you can zoom out and also zoom in. If we hit the view button on the wheel, we can change the display by making those clocks bigger or smaller. You can basically personalise the screen to however you want it to look. To the right, we do have the volume control, which means you don't have to take your hand off the steering wheel to alter the volume. And moving to the left, we do have the paddle shift for the cruise control. In the centre, we've got the main display in the car. This is called the MMI, which stands for Multimedia Interface. And as you can see here, it is all touchscreen, and you can do a range of things on it, including navigation system, selecting your radio stations. There is a DAB digital radio on board, meaning there's plenty of choice of things to listen to whilst you're on the move. You can also connect your phone up to the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And then finally, if we go to Audi Select, you can basically choose how you want your car to perform, like the stiffness of the steering wheel and the thrust of the vehicle. This car does come with a rear parking camera and also front and rear parking sensors, which is really helpful when you're trying to get in these tight car parking spaces. Moving down, we do have our 3-zone Deluxe air conditioning, where we can set various temperatures within the vehicle. And of course, turn on and turn off those heated seats, which are perfect for those cold winter mornings. Moving down, we do have a 12-volt plug socket, and there is a USB port there as well. Here is the power button, as this car is keyless. So as long as you got your car keys with you, press this button and the car will fire up. We've got the main volume control just here. This car, of course, is automatic. We've got electric park and brake, 2 cup holders, and finally a storage compartment with another USB port. That completes our tour around this used Audi Q5 2.0 TFSIe S-Line S Tronic Quattro, which we now have in stock. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please give our sales team a call on 01785 899 417. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we hope to see you soon at Stafford Audi.